Hi students, now discuss about muscular tissue. Okay, what about the muscular tissue? Muscular tissue that is originated from the mesoderm layer. Muscular tissue that is originated from the cells of the mesoderm at the developing embryo. Student, next except the muscles of iris and the ciliary body. These are the two parts related with the eye. Okay, muscles of iris and the ciliary body. Muscles present in the iris and the ciliary body. These are the parts related with the eye. Okay, sense organ. Student, muscles present in these two, these are originated from the ectoderm, developed from the ectoderm layer of the embryonic system. Next, student, these are the muscular system. Muscular system, entire the muscular system present in the body helps in the movement of the body and movement of the body parts. Okay. Next, and the muscular tissue shows some amount of the properties like excitability and the contractility and the conductivity. Okay, student, and a study about the muscular tissue is called myology. Study about the muscular tissue is called myology. Okay, next, student, muscles made up with the thin elongated cells. Muscle is formed with the thin elongated cells. That is the type of the cells called muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are the cells present in the muscle. Okay, student, muscle is not a cell. Muscle is with the cells. These are the cells are called muscle fibers. Muscle fibers also called myocytes or sarcocytes, and these are the muscle fibers developed from the myoblast cells of the embryonic system, which is formed in the early embryo of the animal or organism. Okay, myoblasts are the cells present in the embryo stage of the organism, and these are develops into the muscle fibers which is present in the muscle. Next, these are the cells or the muscular tissue provides nutrition from the blood vessels. Blood vessels is extended towards the muscular tissue. Nutrition provides from the blood vessels. Next, student, it is the muscle fiber also shows the different organelles, cell organelles and the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane surrounds the myofibril, that is called sarcolemma. Next, cytoplasm present in the muscle fiber, that is called sarcoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum present in the muscle fiber called sarcoplasmic reticulum. And mitochondria present in the muscle fiber called sarcosomes. Okay. Next, student, myofibrils with the thick filament and the thin filaments entire throughout the length of the myofibril. The cytoplasm of the muscle fiber also shows two types of the filament-like structures, filaments. Two types of the filaments. These are available in the form of the thick filament, thin filament. Two types of the filaments present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. Okay, these are dark filament, these are thick filament or thin filament. Thick filament is called myosin, thin filament is called actin. Okay, two types of the filaments present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. Which is thick, that is called myosin. Which is thin, that is called actin. Actin filament, myosin filament. Next, sarcoplasm, students. Sarcoplasm also shows adenosine triphosphate molecules and phosphocreatine. Okay, student. which is releases phosphate and converts into the creatinine. Okay, phosphocreatine, it is the energy site in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. Okay, phosphocreatine, this is releases phosphate and converts into creatinine. Next, glycogen. Okay, food is stored in the form of the glycogen in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. And myoglobin, these are the pigments present in the muscle fiber and stores the oxygen molecules. Myoglobin, glycogen, phosphocreatine, adenosine triphosphate molecules present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. Okay, student. Next, this is the muscular tissue that shows the three types of the muscles based on the structure, based on the location and the formation. Okay, what about the skeletal muscle? Skeletal muscles. Student, skeletal muscle, it is attaches to the bones in the body, attaches to the skeletal parts in the body. Hence it is named with skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is attaches to the bone by the help of the dense connective tissue sheath that is called tendon. Student, it is the part of the skeletal muscle attaches to the bone by the help of the dense connective tissue sheath that is called tendon. Okay, student. Next, what about the endomysium, fascicle, perimysium, epimysium? That means first one, endomysium. Endomysium, muscle fiber means cells present in the skeletal muscle. Muscle fiber surrounded by thin connective tissue sheath. Each one of the muscle fiber connected with the connective tissue sheath. Each one of the muscle fiber surrounds with the connective tissue sheath that is called endomysium. Next, fascicle. What about the fascicle, student? Bundle of the muscle fiber. Student, bundle of the muscle fiber. It is the one of the muscle fiber. It is the one of the muscle fiber. It is the another one of the muscle fiber. It is the another one of the muscle fiber. Okay, these are muscle fibers. Okay, each one of the muscle fiber surrounds with the connective tissue sheath called endomysium. And the bundles of the muscle fiber, that is called fascicle. Bundle of the muscle fiber, that is called fascicle. Next, perimysium. What about the perimysium, student? Fascicle surrounded by connective tissue sheath. Each one of the fascicle, it is the one of the fascicle, it is the one of the fascicle. These are fascicle, it is the one of the fascicle. Each fascicle surrounded with the connective tissue sheath that is called perimysium. Okay, student, it is the perimysium. Next, and the epimysium. Student, group of the fascicle. Student, it is the fascicle, it is the fascicle, it is the fascicle, it is the fascicle. This is the group of the fascicle. Entire group of the fascicle surrounded with the connective tissue sheath. Okay, entire the fascicle that forms the muscle. Okay, group of the fascicle that is surrounds with the connective tissue sheath called epimysium. Student, it is the epimysium. Okay, totally it is the epimysium. Student, it is runs backwards and forms the tendon, okay, which is connected with the bone. Students, skeletal muscle fiber, long, cylindrical, multinucleated, unbranched oval nuclei. Student, skeletal muscle fiber, it is the skeletal muscle fiber, and long and cylindrical in shape. Okay, and multinucleated, one nucleus, another one of the nucleus, and third nucleus. This is the skeletal muscle fiber, shows three nucleus. Multi-nuclei position. Nuclei means more number of the nucleus. Okay, unbranched, these are unbranched student. It is the muscle fiber is unbranched and oval shaped nuclei. Okay, more number of the nucleus present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber, because syncytium at the stage of the fusion of cells, myoblast cells present at the embryonic system, embryo of the embryonic system, embryo of the organism. These are the myoblast cells are fused with each other, and another number of the nucleus is also increased, and it causes the multinucleate position. It is not goes to the division. Myoblast cells are not goes to the division, and all the myoblast cells are fused with each other and form the skeletal muscle fiber. Okay, and so this is the muscle fiber shows the more number of the nuclei, multinucleate position present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber is called syncytium. Syncytium, it is caused by fusion of the myoblast cells at the developing embryo. Next, myofibrils show alternate dark light band, so called stripped muscle or striated muscles. Student, if you observe, cytoplasm shows the dark band and light band, dark band, light band, dark band, light band, dark band, light band, dark band, light band. This is the arrangement is possible by the alternate position, alternate location of the myosin filament and actin filament. Myosin filament that is appeared as a dark band, actin filament that is appeared as a light band. Okay, hence this is the muscle is also called stripped muscle or striated muscle because of presence of the alternate arrangement of the dark band and the light band entire throughout the length of the muscle fiber. Next, works under conscious control. This is the muscles works under the conscious control of the individual, hence it is also called voluntary muscle. Okay, it is the muscle also called voluntary muscle because it is works under the conscious control of the individual, of the animal. Next, contracts quickly. It is the muscle goes to the contraction quickly and undergoes fatigue. Fatigue means resting time. Undergoes fatigue quickly. Next, student, it is entered the muscle is regulated by the somatic nervous system in the body. Okay, student.